What's up, guys? I'm Michael from Sasser Stills Boudoir in Los Angeles, and I'm excited because today's another day of learning. Of course it is, because why else do people go to YouTube anymore? I'm excited to share with you some more tips that can hopefully help you and your boudoir business flourish and grow into the beautiful, blossoming, help you turn your passion into your livelihood. So today I want to talk about a subject to do with perspectives, to do with more than just how the photo looks, but what you're saying in the photo, what your client is saying in the photo, what you're trying to portray as the intent of the photo. And that is the difference between submissive and dominant. So those terms are typically used to talk about, you know what. And when I say those things, I'm really talking about the power. Who is giving power to whom? To who? To whom? To whose power is being given? So the most common thing for photographers to do when they shoot boudoir is to shoot down on a woman. We do this for a couple reasons. The first is that it's flattering. The second is that it can make somebody look thinner. And the third is that that's just kind of where we're standing. If a woman is laying down or sitting down and we're standing up, they will be lower than us. However, boudoir itself is about empowerment. It's about giving the woman power. It's about her taking control of her own sexuality. And to do that, I like to shoot up on my clients as much as I like to shoot down on them. This change in perspective, as you'll see, is a subtle change, but it really makes a dramatic difference. So if you'll join me, I'll show you some examples. So here we're just gonna start with a really standard looking down on her shot. This is really flattering, it's really beautiful. And then as we change to get a little bit lower, looking up at her gives her a little bit more of the power. It's a pretty subtle change, but it really does make a huge difference in the photo. Okay, so here's a pretty standard laying on the bed shot, which we shoot from up above because it's flattering and it makes sense. But what if you got a little bit lower? What if you got to eye level? Look at how much more engaging and intimate this shot is than the last. So here's another pretty common pose of her looking over her shoulder. But look at what happens as we get lower and now shoot up on her. So I think it's pretty clear that this works everywhere. It doesn't just work when laying down or when standing or when they're on their knees. If they're sitting on the couch, it works the exact same way. Shooting from different perspectives can either give them a submissive or a dominant feel in the photograph. Okay, that's a wrap. Thanks, Delaney.
You're welcome.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. If you would like to see more tutorials, there's a subscribe button all the way over there. And leave in the comments anything else that you would like to learn. I'm gonna let Delaney finish this one.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on any additional information that Michael should shoot on.
Ooh, that was a good one.